Hello guys, welcome to the 100 days of technical analysis. Today is day 84. I am Pelumi and I'll be taking you through today's analysis. Today I'll be talking about POLYMATH Bitcoin. POLYMATH is one of the last coins I analyzed before I took a break on day 80. Okay, but the analysis didn't go quite well because of the decline in BTC price. Okay, so today I'll be reviewing POLYMATH again. Okay, so here is where we are on Polymath, and I can see a very big double bottom, same pattern I talked about yesterday, but this time we are talking about a bigger pattern. Okay, so when I see big patterns, enormous patterns like this, something comes to my mind. I expect to see smaller patterns that are tradable in the big patterns because most times the big patterns take very long time to play out, and some of them don't even play out because they are too big, maybe. But some of them don't play out, and the ones that play out take a very long time to play out. Okay, so here is what I can see. I can see bottom one here and bottom two here. Bottom one being an if bottom. An if bottom is not a very sharp bottom. It's not sharp. It is where's the brush? Okay, it is something like this. That's what makes it an if bottom. Okay, the other type of bottom here is an Adam bottom. It is a very sharp one. Dropped and price went up, giving something like a V shape here. Okay, giving us something like a V shape. Okay, if I zoom into this, we have a candlestick pattern that I call the bullish Arami. So after the pattern front here, price made its way up to where price is currently. Okay, so price broke this key level here. This level here is a support. I mean, it was a resistance, but now it is a support since price already broke through it. So price is retesting the new support, after which I expect that price will go up. Now for this trade, I'll be using a very tight stop loss, not too tight anyway, but a good stop loss, and then I'll be expecting price to get to this point. Okay, at the very least, or my TP would be here. My TP would be here, and that would be about 24.95. That's just, let's say, 25%. Okay, I'll be putting my TP here, 25%. After which I expect that price would um, maybe make its way down, and if price come back down, then we'll have, if price does something like this and makes its way back down here, we will have an head and shoulder bottom, and that would see price break out to somewhere here. But right now, trading what I can see, I'm not going to believe that will play out, but I expect it to do. But I'll be trading what I can see currently, which is I'm seeing price. Um, I see the price will most likely make its way up here. So on the daily, I'll be using a stop loss of let's say 7 to 8%. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, so here is the 4 hour. Here is the 4 hour. What happened here? Okay, it's quite hard to pick the double bottom on the 4 hour, so I didn't see that. Okay, so on the 4 hour here, we can see I said we would find many patterns, and one of them is here. This is one. Here we have the head and shoulder bottom. This is the head, and this is shoulder one, and we have shoulder two. Okay, and the breakout point is here. So this played out well, played out correctly. Price it's the next resistance, and price retraced before moving up. Okay, so if I measure this, I believe it should be almost or close. Okay, good, perfect. Exactly the same length. Okay, with the previous move from the breakout point. So this is a measured move. This and this is what we call a measured move. So I might expect price to do the same thing, make its way up to this point first before coming back down a little, before retracing a little, and before it makes its way to the TP1, or the TP of the of my analysis today. Okay, so like I said, on the daily, you can see this is a good level. Price at least stalled here, in most cases stalled before continuing in the main direction. In other times, price reversed from here. Okay, so price is back down here, and I'll be expecting it to, of course, come to this top here, which is 506 sats. Yeah, my TP is 506 sats, and my stop loss is, let's check, 700 and I mean 376 sats. That's what my stop loss is, 376 sats. Okay, let me sorry. Okay, 376 sats or 373 sats. Okay, let's check the hourly. See if we can find something interesting there. Okay, so here is the hourly charts. Wider, it's wider. Okay, on the hourly charts, there's this chart is not looking really good. Too many gaps. Too many gaps. Okay. Um, Same thing I already talked about. A resistance was tested. It was broken. It is being retested now, and I expect price to make its way up from here. Okay, I expect price to make its way up from here. After, of course, I believe this is something I can look at whenever I see price in a box like this consolidating. I expect that price is um, gaining strength to do a bigger move. Most times when I see this after a decline in price breaks out from the other side, and sometimes when I see it after price moves up, price breaks out from the downside. But here, I'm expecting price to break out from the upside, and I'll be expecting price at 506 sats. So I'll be taking this trade myself. All right. Thank you everyone for coming around for day 84. Do have a wonderful day, and see you all tomorrow.